The incorrect expression among the following is, this is delta G system upon delta S total is equal to minus T, that is temperature. Delta G is the free energy of the system or change in free energy of the system. Delta S is the total entropy change of the system. In isothermal process, W reversible, that is work reversible, is equal to minus of nRT log V final, that is final volume by initial volume. Log K is equal to delta H standard, that is delta H under standard conditions. And what is delta H? It is change in enthalpy. Minus T delta S upon RT. And the next expression is K is equal to exponential of minus delta G standard upon RT. Now, which among the following is incorrect statement? Now, if I just see the expressions, which all is the correct one? Now, this is the correct one. Delta G is equal to minus of the delta S, that is total entropy change of the system. This is the right expression, right? The total entropy change of a system is equal to entropy change of the system plus the entropy change of the surroundings. That is the total entropy change. Now, work done in a reversible condition is also, the expression is the same. If pressure is the term, then it is log of pressure initial by pressure final. Now, let's see this term. Log natural K is equal to delta H standard minus T delta S standard by RT. Now, let's derive this expression. See, students, delta G is what? What is delta G equal to? Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So, delta G under standard conditions is equal to delta H, that is change in enthalpy under standard conditions, minus T delta S standard. Right? Now, we also know that delta G is equal to minus of R T log K, right? Or minus of R T log K will be equal to what? Delta H minus T delta S. Delta S is what? It's a change in entropy. Delta H is change in enthalpy. Or we can write log K is equal to minus of delta H, it would be minus of delta H minus T delta S and divided by what? RT. Or it can be written as log K, this is log K is equal to T delta S minus delta H, that is the product of the product of temperature and change in entropy minus the change in enthalpy divided by RT under standard conditions is equal to the log natural K, right? So, the expression should be this. And what is given in your question paper? It is delta H minus T delta S. So, which is the wrong expression over here, students? The wrong expression is C, the incorrect expression. And this is of course right. Delta G is equal to minus of RT log natural K. That can be written in exponential form like this. So, what is the correct option here? It's C.